World Environment Day. The foods we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the climate that makes our planet habitable, all come from nature. More than 400 million tons of plastic is produced every year worldwide, half of which is designed to be used only once. Of that, less than 10% is recycled. Some 11 million tons of plastic waste flow annually into oceans. More than 800 marine and coastal species are affected by this pollution through ingestion, entanglement, and other dangers. Despite all the benefits that our nature give us, we still mistreat it. World Environment Day is the most renowned day for environmental action. Since 1973, it has been celebrated every year on the 5th of June, engaging governments, businesses, celebrities, and citizens to focus their efforts on a pressing environmental issue. Time is running out, and nature is in emergency mode. We need urgent action to address environmental issues.